Hi there, my name is Diegoescandell, and today I want to share with you some ideas, my point of view, my understanding up until this moment about quantum physics and the quantum field. And what is the reason? The purpose I'm doing this video is to share with all of those looking for more information, those who are trying to reach a higher level of consciousness, a higher level of vibration. Maybe this could be helpful to understand at least a little bit more about these important topics. When we talk about quantum physics and the quantum field, it's really all about feeling. It's about experience. We cannot really talk about it. We need to experience it. We need to do it. It's about doing. But I'm going to do my best to give you information that is going to help you. It's going to get you closer to the experience. This video is going to be about science, not about impressions, opinions. It's going to be about science and how science has changed. If we take a look about science, we're going to find in this picture the building of sciences. Sciences are like a building with many floors, and the lower floors are the foundations for the floors above. The first floor is mathematics, because even before Newton could explain the movement of the planets, we had to be able to do differential calculus. After that, we get to physics, where we measure matter. From physics, we get to chemistry, and we get to different types of chemistry, and that path leads us to biology, and from biology we get into psychology. But there is a very important law in science. If the science in the lower floor change its beliefs, all the other sciences above must accommodate that. And I'm saying this because now we're going to see in this other picture how this pyramid of sciences has changed according to quantum physics. Quantum physics has changed everything, even mathematics. Take a look. So here we are basically traveling from 1700, when Newton said the universe is mechanics, universe is matter, to 1925, where quantum physics said, wait a second, the universe is not matter, the universe is energy. So this is why that model, that building of sciences is wrong. And we get to a new building, a new levels of floors, where mathematics change to fractal mathematics, where we understand better how the universe is, where physics, Newtonian physics, transform itself, and now it's quantum physics, and it understands about energy, about waves, where chemistry now is electrochemistry, and explains vibrations, explains waves. And we are still waiting for biology and for psychology to their new version of science. They are still not ready. So don't make me talk about biology and medicine and how doctors see our health. So, like Dr. Bruce Lipton says very clear, by definition, biology and psychology are not scientific. So, if we understand, if we feel that our body is not ending in the atom, like Newton was saying, if we go inside the atom, if we take a look with better tools, with better microscopes, we are going to find out that we are energy, that the atom itself is not matter, it's all energy. So, from the atom to the cell, to the tissues, to organs, to all our body, we are energy. So now, if we are in the same room with different people, our waves are affecting each other, and we feel that even without talking, we can feel that there's some kind of interaction there. It's energy moving. Take a look at this picture now, and we're going to see how bodies interact with each other, being energy and waves. We're going to see now a very short video about the connections between each other and how are we connected to the field. I'm going to drop two elements with the same shape, with the same weight, and from the same height to the water. And we're going to see the behavior of the waves. Take a look. Now take another look in slow motion. So this shows how the two different waves interfere with each other until it merges and it creates a bigger wave. This is called constructive interference. If you pay attention, the two separate waves slowly are getting closer, closer, closer until they merge into a one bigger wave. It's very important, this concept, in quantum physics, because now we see that when the waves get together, they merge into something called wholeness. That is called entanglement. So, if we think about this, and now we think about how the medicine nowadays is seeing each other, is seeing our body in a very reductionist point of view. They cut ourselves in different pieces. You can't do that because energy cannot be separated. So imagine now that instead of water, we are outside, and instead of the waves in the water, the ripple effect is our waves, our energy. And feel this, where we see nothing now, where we think that's just air, is really a field full of frequency, full of waves, full of information. That is the importance of connect. Take a moment every day to look at ourselves, look at our energy, get into coherence, and feel and try to elevate our emotions, our feelings, and looking for higher thoughts. Because if we do that, that is the practice, how we attract, how we match higher energies, higher frequencies, and we get able to live better experiences. This is very important because this is showing us the beauty of when two or more people get together and go into what we call coherence. Coherence, when our vibrations match and we get to a higher level of vibration. That level of vibration can heal, for example. So there is something very important here that we need to stop for a minute. Now that we are seeing that we are energy, and like epigenetics says, that what we are is not in the cells, but is sent to the cells. That energy is information. The information that we are is being sent to the cells. And that signal, that information, creates matter. So, matter follows energy. So, particle follows the wave. In other words, matter follows mind. And this is the point. What really affects us is our job, our relationships, our environment. This affects our bodies. The signal affects our body. The information, our thoughts, our feelings. It's not in the matter the cause of our issues. We're now going to understand why we need to feel the energy. The way that energy is the way that our body is going to be. Which basically is the way you think and the way you feel is going to determine your cells, your chemistry, your tissues, and your whole body. So what is the quantum field? It's a non-material dimension full of energy, a high vibration where all the possibilities of everything are available. And when I'm saying everything, I mean it, because everything is a frequency. Energy is information, and that is the importance of elevate our vibrations, get to a higher consciousness, get to a higher level of energy, so we can attract, we can get to a higher level of vibrations in the field. That's our real job. That's our real job in this planet. Elevate our vibrations, get closer to love, and get able to feel higher vibrations so we match better things to our life. We match and we attract better experiences. I hope this is clear. I hope this can help you, and thank you for your attention. God bless you.